Let's get into this bang bang shrimp. Not only does it look good, but it tastes amazing. And here's how I made it. I seasoned my shrimp with mustard, sriracha sauce, and a beaten egg, and it should look like this when done. To a bowl, I added some all-purpose flour, salt, pepper. I added some onion powder, garlic powder, a little cayenne, and some paprika. I gave that a nice mix, and then I tossed my shrimp into the flour mixture. Next, I cooked them in some hot oil for about 5 to 6 minutes. They get done fast. For my sauce, I used about a half a cup of mayo. I used some sweet chili sauce, sriracha. I also added some red chili pepper flakes for a little more spice, and I gave that a nice mix. I plated my shrimp along with some Olipop ginger ale. I heated up my bang bang sauce for about 15 seconds, and then I poured it onto my shrimp, and y'all see how amazing this looks. Will you be giving this recipe a try? Let me know in the comments and let me know what you think.